What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Well, I am back with another video, and today is a very exciting day because I have here my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, I pre-ordered this last Friday when the pre-order started. I actually forgot to pre-order until I was at work and someone said something about it. I was like, oh shoot, I gotta pre-order my phone. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video because I'm gonna be talking about some of the features. So I have my handy dandy little knife and we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting for this day since the Apple event, actually. Yes, I've been waiting that long. I've actually been waiting for a new phone since last year because I was just so ready. So of course I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I got the color midnight green, and here it is. Here it is. Yo, I'm so excited. Like, I just love Apple. So I got the midnight green, I got the 256 gigabyte. I'm coming from the iPhone XS Max 256 gigabyte. Rose gold. You know, now we got a new color, a new cut, a new color, a new hairdo. Let's go ahead and just pull the little tab and let's reveal the new iPhone. Oh, this is my favorite part. I swear, I love this part. So the packaging is really nice. It's a dark box with the iPhone here, and okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this color is so flippin'. Look at this. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. Like, this is top quality. Like, when I say top quality, oh my gosh, I don't even want to take the plastic off. Before we get to the phone, of course you have the standardized little Apple card with the instructions and the stickers. The hello, how to set up the phone, got the little SIM card or whatever, you know, the boring stuff. And of course you have the headphones that come with this, no AirPods. Then you have the lightning cable, which I'm really excited about because, as you know, the previous iPhone, they have been USB to lightning, but with this phone, you have USB-C to lightning. And why is this such an important thing? It's an important thing because now I can hook up my phone straight to my laptop. Yes, my laptop. Like, cause I had to order a whole nother attachment to hook up my phone to my laptop. Like, who does that? That is so ghetto. But nevertheless, oh, and this is the new charging brick. It's supposed to be faster than the 5 watt, I think it's 5 watt charging brick. So we have this, which is USB-C as well. And then you just have the box or whatever. So some of the features that I've seen, of course, if you have not already done so, I would go ahead and update to iOS 13. iOS 13, it comes with the new dark mode, which looks amazing. Like, that was the first thing that I was really wanting to do, is turn my phone into dark mode. So we got that. What else did we do? We got the new emojis, new camera settings. The camera looks amazing in the settings. Did have a case, but my battalion doesn't know where my case is to my phone. So I'm like, where's my case? Cause this phone, oh, and how can I forget the 3 cameras? Like, the 3 cameras, if y'all did not watch the event, you have a wide angle, a super wide and the normal telephoto lens. So that's a good thing. And plus the FaceTime camera, it is 12 megapixels, which is phenomenal, I must say. So I'm just really excited about this phone. I love groundbreaking technology. Oh, y'all, I thought there was a film on the back, but there isn't. This is all glass, frosted glass at that. The Apple logo is in the center now, which is this phone looks amazing. I'm really excited to be a part of the Apple revolution. And next year, I'll be upgrading again for whatever phone they throw my way. I'm just saying, I have an addiction to iPhones and upgrading every year. I don't care. It's my money. I spend it how I want. Okay, so all y'all that just be like, oh, you waste, girl, you wasting no money. I make the money so I can spend the money. Okay. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a simple little video. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.